This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, June 13th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a disturbance moving into the area from the west, another disturbance across Canada and the northern tier of the country. And that's going to be slowly moving off to the east, but it's going to be bringing us showers and thunderstorms once again. The Gulf of Mexico will be open once more. So unfortunately, we're going to head into a period of more active weather around the state. Not going to see a lot of dry time or any sunshine at all over the next couple of days. Highs in the 70s to lower 80s today and tomorrow. You can see Sunday looks to be rather wet across the area as well. It's not going to be all-day rains by any means, but it's not going to be peaks of sunshine around either. Monday looks to be roughly close to the same as today and Sunday. Showers and thunderstorms possible pretty much about any time. Better chances, though, would likely be during the late night, overnight hours into the morning and maybe late evening hours. Tuesday. Here's Tuesday. This could be a dry day. We're going to pinpoint these dry days. This looks to be one of the very few dry days we see over the next week or so. Showers could be possible in our far southern counties, but those could hold off farther south. But then we go into Wednesday, and unfortunately, the showers are back again. They'll be kind of scattered about, so we could have some peaks of sunshine toward the end of next week, especially toward Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. You can see here on Thursday we have a little bit of rain around. It's not going to be a total washout by any means at this point, but timing of these systems is going to be very difficult at this point, because if the system slows down, that could change the entire aspect of the activity. As we go into Friday, you can see southwesterly winds ahead of another system coming in. This is going to be producing precipitation into next weekend. This is next Saturday, and you can see the main storm track pretty much across the Pacific Northwest into the upper Midwest, Great Plains, and then up into southeastern Canada. And that's putting us right in the line for more showers and thunderstorms next weekend as well. So it's going to be a fairly active week. No real dry periods between now and next weekend, so be prepared for that as we move along in the period. Going into the extended period around the 22nd or 3rd or so, around that time period, main storm track is still pretty much in our area. However, there's going to be some slight changes as we move toward the end of the period. You can see a frontal system is finally moving away, taking the showers and thunderstorms with it, thank goodness, and high pressure is moving in. But you notice from to the west, there is absolutely nothing going on. And you'll see that at the end of the period here on the 27th or 28th, I think it is. And a 594 ridge has developed in the plains, including part of Iowa. Main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border. That could be close enough that a shower or storm could still clip the northern counties. But we're going to be under a heat dome by the end of June, so things could really heat up. But with a lot of rain in the area that we've had this week and the last couple of weeks, that could keep the temperature slightly lower. Satellite image from last evening, though, has some clouds and showers and storms across the plains, especially Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, where they don't really need a whole heck of a lot more rain. Clouds and showers and storms across the northeast back into the Great Lakes as well, and also across South Florida. The watch warning map from last evening, some flash flood issues again over Kansas, Oklahoma, and North Texas. Flash flood watches over northern New England and across southern Colorado. Fairly quiet elsewhere across the country. The QPF chart, though, does not show very quiet weather. This is the rainfall through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing maybe about an inch or so of rain over the next couple of days. Heaviest totals across the plains.